Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Butterz here with you, and today we're in the Dodge again, making another video in here because this thing's got pretty much nothing but issues. Just kidding. It's actually a pretty good truck. I'm just fixing the little things now. My heater switch doesn't work. Like the switch that selects high and low fan speeds and all that. It doesn't work, so I bought a new switch and I also bought a new resistor. So today we're gonna change that. Now, as you can see here in the corner, I've already got, that's the dash. I've already got the dash all taken apart. I had a previous video already made, or not made, but like partially recorded, but it ended up not working and I ended up not being able to get it to work. And that was basically to bypass this switch, like the previous owner had already done. He put a toggle switch in. Now I was trying to get away from that and use a selector switch, but the selector switch just wouldn't work with how he's got it rigged up for wiring. So I figured we're gonna replace that switch, replace that resistor, trace back his wires, and undo everything that he did to this fucking system to get it to work. Let's get going on this new switch. Here's the new resistor. Here's the switch. This is the switch I was talking about. Now all the parts that I get, they always come from Rock Auto. My link in the description box. Just two flat blade screws, but I'm never gonna be able to get to this one, this flat blade. Nope. Well, use a special tool to try and get this out. Where's my screwdriver? There's me screwdriver. I actually didn't bust it. That never happens. Anytime I take apart a dash, I always bust at least one thing. Okay, got that in. Now we're gonna put the screws back into it and make it secure. Aggressive. So anybody doing this, the same thing that I'm doing here, 1/4-inch socket will help you get these screws out, or a flat blade screwdriver, a little stubby one, whatever you got for tools. All right, y'all, I'm just trying to get this connector on and I'm fucking struggling with it. It's for the third fucking time. I didn't think that it would take this many motherfucking times, but hey, I don't make the rules. I just follow them sometimes. Oh, it's a nightmare to get back in. I hate working with these little shit. Alright, update for you guys. I got the one screw back in. I'm just about to put the second screw in. Alright, y'all, we're back here on the passenger side. I'm gonna get behind this. Let's see how you take this 90s style glove box out. Super easy. Alright, how do you see the resistor? So that's good news. On this, how can we... I'm not sure. Alright, I'm just gonna have to... shit. Yeah, we just gotta prop it up. Alright, y'all, so it is an 8mm socket when you're taking out the resistor in a first-gen Cummins. Look at how, like, archaic these things look. Like, looks like it's something out of the 70s. I am shocked that that's what these resistors look like. This push down. Okay, that didn't work. Back, this is day, I think this is day 3 that I've been working on this issue now. It's still not the best conditions out here, but we are under a tight schedule here because I really need to get this thing going. I'm sick of seeing it sit here. And it's not even that it doesn't go, it's just the heater doesn't work. So we're going to keep troubleshooting this. I do have some fuses, so we're going to do a little more wiring here. We're going to try a different fuse, see if it works, and dig more into this if it doesn't. So yeah, stay tuned for some more footage. They're green and red wires. See what green and red does. Oh, see what you see green and red here. Green and red. One of those has to be the starter relay. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go inside the truck real quick. I'm gonna hook up this battery and then I'm gonna try one of these new fuses and see if that's the issue, because I can't see anything wrong with the wiring under here. I tried to rent a garage space and a heated shop space, and it was looking good. Would have been perfect. And then the lady finally messaged me back. Yeah, it was rented out a week ago. I'm like, fuck you. Like, thanks for letting me know. Oh, that heat's so nice, y'all. What is you stuck on that? Oh, that's a bad sound. Don't want that. Don't want that. If I go in there and I start pulling on it, it's gonna get snagged on something. I'm gonna be mad. Come all the way back out here. Alright y'all, we're back on the inside now. I'm on the passenger side right now. I need to get over on the driver's side and fish the wire. First, let's grab my laptop tap. Check this out. I don't know if you can see him. Where is he? See me over there. The guy just digging through the garbage bins in the back alley. I'm just here chilling, making a vid. I'm just working in this little glove compartment. Fucking hate when the previous owner knows electrical and just hacks the fucking truck apart. That shit really bothers me. I'm not really... Yeet! This isn't a yeet situation, man. You gotta be patient. Yeet! Alright, y'all. I got a knife.